Thinking about stepping into DSLR photography but don't want something complicated or overpriced? Today, we're checking out the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, featuring a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, built-in Wi-Fi, and full HD video recording. Let's see why this camera is still one of the most popular beginner DSLRs. Right out of the box, the Canon Rebel T7 feels solid and well built. It has a classic DSLR design with a comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even during long shooting sessions. The button layout is simple and beginner-friendly, which is perfect if you're just getting started. The highlight of the Rebel T7 is its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This sensor captures sharp, detailed images with excellent color accuracy. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or everyday photos, the image quality looks natural and professional, especially in good lighting. Paired with the sensor is Canon's DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, which helps deliver clean images, reduced noise, and fast performance. It also improves color reproduction and keeps photos looking sharp even at higher ISO levels. The included 18 to 55mm kit lens is versatile and great for beginners. You can shoot wide-angle landscapes at 18mm and zoom in for portraits or everyday shots at 55mm. It's a solid all-round lens to start your photography journey. For video, the Rebel T7 records in full HD 1080p, making it suitable for YouTube, vlogging, and family videos. While it doesn't shoot 4K, the video quality is sharp and reliable, especially for beginners and casual creators. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet. This makes sharing on social media quick and hassle-free, without needing cables or card readers. This camera is perfect for beginners, students, hobby photographers, and anyone upgrading from a smartphone or point-and-shoot camera. It's simple, reliable, and delivers great results without overwhelming you with complex settings. To wrap it up, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a fantastic entry-level DSLR that offers excellent image quality, easy controls, and trusted Canon reliability. If you're looking for a solid camera to learn photography and video, this one is still a great choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest camera reviews. Thanks for watching.